Oh, just woke up. Time to take a shower. Time to take a warm shower. Oh yeah, let's get in there. Yeah. Welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite social media engineer with another exciting product test. I'm reviewing the newest and coolest electronics and products to determine if they are worth your hard-earned money. Today we're going to take a look at the TUKUOS shower brush. This is available on Amazon for right around $9. And the measurement from end to end is 17.3 inches, so you have a very long reach for those hard to reach places. And it's 4.5 by 4.5 inches with a thickness from end to end to be 2.4 inches. Look at how beautiful it is, handcrafted, guys. This is made of lotus wood. Yes, sir, lotus wood. And check it out, it even has a cotton hook. It's got rubber grips, so you know when you're taking a shower, you don't lose the handle. It is very sturdy. Check it out, you have two sides to choose from, and both sides have these plastic, so it's hygienic. All right, check it out. On one of the sides this is the nylon brush. This is a softer brush, so you see right there. Very soft and smooth to the touch. Good for the skin, sensitive skin, and to massage your skin also. Now, talk about massaging. This side is a natural bristles with soft massage nodules built in. This is a little bit tougher, but it's got these massage bristles. So depending on your skin quality or how dirty you are, you can choose either one. And it even comes with a shower hook. In case your bathtub is old style or doesn't have it, you can stick this on there and you can hang it. So let's go ahead and try this out. All right, so let's imagine that I just woke up, ready to take a shower, have the warm water on. Let's go ahead and try the soft bristles. Oh yeah, look at how with that long length, I can reach all the way down to my lower back. Ooh, that is very soothing right there. Now let's try the harder bristles with the massage points. Yes, it's getting to the tendons and muscle and the achy muscles. That's also good too. Even with the wet handle, you have these rubberized grips so you don't lose a good handle on it. Wow. This is the way to clean, guys. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I like to get real clean, especially in those hard to reach places in the lower back and the lower legs, and you don't have to reach all the way down. You definitely need one of these brush heads, shower brush heads. Go check it out, guys. Stay clean.